Okay, so I'm here to describe my three goals. My first goal are scales and rubrics. After giving the pre-survey, the mean was a 3.10. The standard deviation was a 1.45. Um, this shows me that in this area, this is one of my biggest weaknesses because my standard deviation was so high that I realized that many students kind of didn't know which way to choose, so they were unaware of what I was asking. So that's something I've really been working hard on, is creating those scales and rubrics and going over them more frequently with the kids. At the beginning of the year, we didn't have any, so we are working on that. Um, the next one kind of leads into that, which is my student tracking student progress. The mean on that was a 3.64 and the standard deviation was a 1.23. So that shows me we are making more adjustments to the score of a 4 versus not knowing which one's which. I think with that, what we're doing now is, as I created these scales and rubrics, or as the class did, students are now starting to track their own data. We have binders, and each time we take an assessment or something, they're filling in their own charts so they can see what kind of score they got, what they need to do to improve, areas they need to work on. So we're doing that more frequently. And then we are also, my third goal is reflecting on learning. The mean on this one was a 3.63. The standard deviation was a 1.11. On this, I'm using this a lot in classroom where I have buckets where students write down what they've learned or what they want to learn, and then we go over it as a class, and that way we make sure if anybody has any questions that we are covering them and also going over what they've learned and accomplished. That's how I'm collecting it. Those are some of my strengths and weaknesses. Obviously, I need to work more on my scales and my rubrics. I believe that's it.